How to export your track as MP3 or WAV in Soundation. First of all, make sure you have completed your project and it's ready for export. Once everything is in place, you can proceed with the export process. Next, right-click on the screen and you will see the option Export Clip as WAV. Click on that and your track will be exported as a WAV file on your computer. But keep in mind, this feature is only available in the upgraded version of Soundation. For MP3, click on the Export button in the right side panel. Here you will see two options for MP3 version, low resolution and high resolution MP3. Select the one you prefer and it will be exported. However, this feature is locked in the free version of Soundation. From this panel, you can also choose the export in WAV format depending on your needs. You can now enjoy your track in either MP3 or WAV format, ready for sharing or distribution. And that's it. Now you know how to export your track as MP3 or WAV in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.